The hero animation gives us a way to animate widgets from one screen to the next as long as those widgets are present on both. Let's get started with creating the home page and the details page files inside the pages folder. In the home page, create a separated list view and set the items count. For the separator builder, a size box would be good. For the item builder, create a list style, set the leading to hero widget, set the child to circle avatar, and grab the images from the internet. Every hero needs a unique tag, so we set it to item-index to keep it unique. Add a title for every list style as well. Now we have a couple of items in the home page. Open the details page, set the app bar, create another hero widget, and grab the image from the internet. The tag value should be same as the home page tag. Now add the index as the class instance and make it required. Open the home page file again and set the onTap property to navigate to the detail page and pass the index of the item to it. Now we have a simple hero animation when navigating to details page. If you want the animation to be slower, change the time dilation and import the scheduler library. Now the animation takes longer to complete.